Hello guys, today I just drove to the Dreamville Bakery. So there's like this thing with instructions. So we'll be cooking some cookies.
Baking.
We'll be baking some cookies. Why? Because it's cookies. Cookies. And bakeries. Yes, exactly.
Oh my god, is that Jungkook?
Hey yo,
I will be making Jungkook. I will make Jungkook.
it's like my funny joke.
I will make chocolate chip Jungkook.
Listen kayo. The white.
You're too young to like BTS,
Yes,
man.
I do. I know that.
You're too young to like BTS.
Yan na.
I'm just, you're too young to like BTS. That's why.
Get daw anak, oh. Slowly ha.
That's real glass.
Kuya, I can't drop it.
I know. That means you're gonna buy it.
Are you excited, Kuya? This is your first time, right?
Yeah, it's my first time here, so. That's a lot. That's 91. Here. Here. Make it a bit closer. It's a bit harder because it's liquid. That's too little. Here, for the water, you need 20. Make sure it's 20. Yeah. Then another small bowl for the cocoa powder. Another exact spoon.
I like mine. It's white.
Four.
Well, open it. Oh, open it.
Two. That is a lot.
It smells good.
Smells like milk powder. It smells like milk powder.
No, where's that?
Force you. Finish.
Okay.
One.
Other one.
He smells good.
Does it smell good?
The other one.
Which one?
No!
Which one again?
Smell the bowl. Not even.
That's good na.
You need to put more.
And then another one here on the other bowl. Because
Another 2 spoons.
Like over here?
you can add a little bit here if you want. If you want more, you can
More
add.
pa, Kuya. Yan.
Then 2 spoons. Add more. More.
What are you? A demander?
Put everything.
More.
What are you? The demander?
Yeah.
Again? What are we gonna do here?
Wow.
Just listen to it.
That over there. Big spatula.
Big spatula. The
big
green
one.
one.
No. Oh, this one. It's oily. Oily. It's so weird. What do I do? Going to add this. Until it becomes a
The whole thing?
So, is this or not?
No, not that. Not that. Put it on. Only the butter and the...
Put all the butter.
Let's put everything.
Except the.
Kay Gwen, Papa. May natira.
Yes,
I mixed this only, right?
The texture is very...
Get everything, anak.
This one as well.
Get everything.
Mixing.
I know processor.
Oh, it's starting to be very good. Is that enough? Ooh. Nice dough. The dough looks really nice. Smells very chocolate chip.
Then you're going to be putting in here.
Smells very chocolate chip. Right? Like this. Yeah.
I want mine.
Like I have to carry it like this.
Because you chose last.
Alright.
You do it.
IKEA.
Do it, Kuya.
Good.
IKEA.
Okay, then you're going to push it.
Push.
Press it. Yeah, press.
Becomes
Covers everything.
Go,
Sige,
kuya.
push. Until
Let's
it
see
looks
your,
like a-
ano.
See how strong I am.
Yes. You want to see how strong you are.
Why is this also bending?
Push mo.
You hold the molder. Can you see this?
It looks yummy.
I'm getting hungry because of this.
I know.
Me too. I'm getting
Me
hungry.
too.
Eat the cookie dough only.
Sige.
I'll try.
Yeah, put it. Sprinkle. Sprinkle lang.
Want to go it right now?
Yes.
Just put it. I have to press it until it reaches the inside.
No, it's okay. That's okay.
Ah, okay.
We're going to bake this.
Sounds like it's making me hungry.
Everything will scatter.
It's perfect.
Press.
Wow.
It's like a cake.
Ang chocolate chip cookies pala, hindi brown. Oh, double pala. Want to talk about your, ano,
It
chip?
looks so
Excited.
excited.
Yun na.
45 minutes. So.
Just like Kuya.
Okay, good. Is that a good experience?
I do have a good experience. Should we go out of here for collector's stuff?
Hmm?
It's gonna take a while.
Yeah. You will come back na lang for it.